my beautiful babes. I am Shanae Moniz. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video. And as you can see, I got my stocking cap on and I got my edges done, y'all, because we're about to put on a headband wig. Yes, a headband wig. People said that they were out and I said, not for me, they're not. I don't feel like fooling around with any lace today. And I've been putting a ton of heat on my hair lately and I just do not want to continue to do that. So what I'm going to do, I am going to be pulling out one of my headband wigs and I'm going to slay. So this particular headband wig, I've actually had it for 2 years now. I believe I ordered this over 2 years. I ordered this headband wig during the pandemic. And you guys, when I say that I wear this headband wig. So I'm going to give you guys kind of a two-year update on a wig that I never reviewed before. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come hang out with me all the time. And also like this video and leave me a comment, say what's up, girl. All right, let's get into it. Also, you guys, just to show you how serious I am about my headband wigs, you guys, this entire box right here, this entire box is filled to the top with nothing but headbands. Okay, I got a headband for every occasion and every look. Okay, when I put my headband on, I'm a slay. Okay, honey, don't be sleeping on these headband wigs, you guys. They're going into 2023 with me and beyond. Love me a good headband wig. When I don't feel like dealing with no lace, what I'm gonna do? Pop on a headband wig. Here is the box to the wig, and as you can see, it is a little bit beat up because, like I said, I've had this wig for over 2 years, and it is from Wiggins Hair. It is a 24-inch kinky straight, and it is 180% density. If you guys are interested in the wig, this video is not sponsored, but I will still have the wig linked down below for you if I can find the link. This here is the wig. Like I said, it is 24 inches of beautiful kinky straight hair. It is just your standard headband wig with the attached black headband. This one comes with clips instead of combs, so it does come with 3 clips in the front, also a clip in the back of the wig as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like straight. I'm also going to go in and curl it and let you see what it looks like wand curled as well, because y'all already know some kinky straight hair, I'm going to wand curl it.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go...
Okay, and here we are back. I just threw some wand curls. I've worn this hair in half up, half down, up in a ponytail, up in a bun, and this hair is still extremely soft, you guys. This is the headband wig after 2 years of wearing it very often, applying heat to it, just doing whatever I want to do with this thing. So like I said, if the wig is still available, I will have it linked in the description box below. So if you guys want to pick you up one for those convenient days, definitely do so. This one is definitely a banger. Whenever you don't want to deal with any lace, whenever you don't want to apply any heat to your hair, This is definitely one that you need in your collection, that you can depend on as that go-to throw on, go, and a slay unit. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in content like this. I would greatly appreciate it. And again, to my beautiful babes that have returned, thank you so much. Again, your continued support is so much appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next one.